Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-J615W printer driver download and installation. So open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and the first link the support.brothers.com. This is supportbrother.com, this is brothers official website, so no worry about it. So select this. After that, this Windows and Linux and mobile also there. So after that you can see the Windows 11 and then click to OK. And this is a printer driver, scanner and printer driver. Click on it, slow down, click on download, then it will start downloading. Yeah, so then completed, it will show this icon, so it where it is downloaded. Okay, then right click and copy, minimize all and mirrors, come to desktop, then paste, right click and open. Yeah, so it will show like that, so click on more options and then run, then decompress on same locations. Now it will create the other same folder like this is your driver file. Okay, after that click to start, then click on setting, then click brother and device, then printer and scanner, add the printer scanner and then add. After that 5 seconds it will show the manual options, so click on it, then last local network manual setting, then next, click to have disk, then click to browse which folder already created earlier on the desktop. Okay, open this, select this INF and then open, and then click to OK. Now 615, find out DCP 615 this is okay, and then next. Now this is installing, but you have to connect before installations your printer to your desktop laptop via printer USB cable, and then next, finish. Okay, now it's complete and this is installed properly. Now you have to restart printer and connected system both, and then check it. Thank you.